What is up, guys? It's the Brick Building Kids. Yeah. So we've got a fun Lego set for you guys today. We have the Droid Escape Pod 75136, right? Yeah, it's got 178 pieces. This is another really cool overdue Lego build I got for my birthday. Grandma Barb again. Pick this up and send this our way. So what Noah and I are gonna do today, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna build it, and we're gonna play with it. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's go! Hey, what's up, guys? We are done, right? Right. All right. So you see here we have the completed set. We've got the Star Wars Droid Escape Pod. This has 2 little Jawas, C-3PO and R2-D2, and the secret Death Star plans. Now you'll notice when you go build this yourself that we are actually missing 1 sticker. Alright, just wait a second. Alright, so we're missing 1 sticker up at the top in the blue transparent place. There was a sticker. Apparently we threw it away when we started the speed build. So, alright, so here's the close-up of first Jawa, 3PO, R2-D2, and the other Jawa. They both have different blasters here. And now let's look at this escape pod. Okay, so it's got a pretty cool front here. And the detail on these stickers is really incredible. Yeah. And we've got the back. Now we've got the other Droid Escape Pod. We got that a couple years back, and this one is much more detailed and much better put together. So check out these insides. We've got, looking up at the Imperial Star Destroyer. We've got possibly our trajectory. And C-3PO and R2, they've got their little place in here. And the Death Star plans fit very nice right into there. I keep putting this in backwards, but yep, right there. So this closed right up. Death Star plans all in there. So Princess Leia gave them to R2-D2 to deliver them to Obi-Wan Kenobi. Now let's put them back in there, bud. So where does C-3PO go? You know, C-3PO. You know, we get C-3PO. There's R2-D2. All right, 3PO. 3PO. Okay, 3PO. Sit down. All right. So he's all set. Let's close this up. Let's close up shop. Say like and subscribe for more videos. Yeah, more videos. Thumbs up. All right. Guys, we got lots more Lego speed builds coming your way. We went to Lego Fest recently.
I did.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.